Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abby, I'm the owner of a couple tumblers and also a couple glitters. Happy New Year! How was everyone's first week of the new year? Was it hard to get back into the groove of things after Christmas? Did you guys take a break? Let me know in the comments down below how you are doing. But for today's video, we are going to be making a tumbler with TeckWrap vinyl. Thank you so much to TeckWrapCraft for sponsoring today's video and sending me some wonderful items to make a tumbler. And I'm so excited. So before we get started, you guys already know what to do. Give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and let's get to it. I got this really big box from TeckWrapCrafts and I cannot wait to show you guys what's inside. On the other side, it does have my address, so I'm not going to show you this, but we're going to open her up. And look! There's so much more underneath this, but we're going to go one by one and show you guys what TeckWrapCraft has on their website. And they have so many more things on their website other than what I'm just going to show you guys today. So they do have this really pretty holographic pouch, and you can keep all of your supplies inside. What they sent me in this pouch was this really cute squeegee, and it just has their logo on the bottom of it. And then they sent me a pair of really nice tweezers. These ones are really sharp, and this case is really hard to open. So here are the tweezers, and this is what they look like. They are pretty sharp, so they are going to grab onto your vinyl really, really well. And this is such a good tool to have for weeding. I actually don't have a pair of tweezers, so this is really nice. They sent me this really pretty, like, studded or like glittery weeding tool. I don't know why I couldn't think of the word, but here is the point. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is very sharp and I cannot wait to use this. This is so cute, and this is my color, like pink and rose gold. Freaking love. That is my brand colors for a couple tumblers. I did change my colors for a couple glitters, but for the most part, rose gold is my favorite. And then they also sent me this cutting mat. It is their standard tack mat, so I'm excited to use this on today's video just to see how well and sticky it really is. And then in here, they sent me some clear color changing sheet packs. So these, I believe, like you can see they're different colors, but once they, I think when they're cold, they become more vibrant. So I actually ordered those beer can glasses, so that way I can actually try these on, because I don't know how well they're going to work for stainless steel tumblers and epoxy. Okay, now for the fun part. These are their rainbow diagonal stripe vinyl, and they come in so many different colors. Here is their rainbow one. Then they also have this one. I don't remember what color this is on their website, but it's like a purple, a green, a pink. Then they have this red and orange one, or like more of like a pinky red orange. Then they also have this blue and pink one with a little bit of purple, and these all go into a diagonal square, or a diagonal, not square, but diagonal pattern. And then there is this one, which we are going to be using today. This is a pink and purple, and I freaking am obsessed. And I don't know if you could tell on camera, but there is a little bit of a shimmer to them, so they kind of have like glitter. It's like fake glitter. And then they have a green, purple, and a blue one. So this, the one that we are going to be using today is, what is this one called? Diagonal Rainbow Glycerin Purple, and that's what we're going to be using. We're just going to open this up. I haven't used this type of vinyl before from them, but I have used their champagne gold textured vinyl, and I absolutely love it. So once TeckWrap reached out to me, I was super excited to go ahead and partner up with them and see and test out all their other vinyls that they have. They package their vinyls so well that I'm actually kind of struggling to get this open. Okay. Goodness gracious. Oh my gosh, it is so stinking pretty. If I could just get... Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness, do you see that? It's so pretty. Oh, I don't even want to use this thing. We have to use it. We are going to cut out about 3 inches of this because we are going to cut out some leopard print and put it onto a tumbler. I already pre-made the tumbler because I solely wanted this to be a video on the vinyl and not so much on how to make the tumbler. But just so you guys know what TeckWrapCraft is all about, this is what this video is going to be. So we're going to cut this out. We're going to do about 3 inches. We're going to set this one aside. So look, oh my god, it still has all of the colors in it. Goodness. I'm going to use their cutting mat as well to see what it is. Would it be, would it do? Let me take off this protective film here. Oh, goodness. What a nice ASMR, or I don't even know what to call that. So I'm just going to put this on here. And this is what I do with all of my vinyl. So I'm not going to be treating this any differently than I normally would. I'm just going to make sure that there are no bubbles. This mat is sticky, but not too sticky. So I'm going to cut this out and I'll come back when I have to weed it. Okay, I have this all cut. What I'm actually going to do is, since this is a new mat, I am just going to take that little protective sheet and put it right underneath where the vinyl is. That way this sticky part does not get ruined, because that happens quite often. So now I'm just going to take their little weeding tool and weed this bad boy out. And I set my, oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. I set my Cricut to adhesive foil. That is what I cut everything on, and please don't judge me for not cutting this part out. I do not do that. I don't save as much vinyl as I should, but it's totally okay. Look how pretty those colors are. Oh my goodness. How many times have I said, oh my goodness, in this video? It's just so pretty. Okay. I'm going to show you guys the tumbler. So this is my tumbler. It is just a Milky Way. And I figured these colors represent these colors on the vinyl pretty well. What do you guys think? So I'm going to put my little cheetah print on the white part. I did go ahead and sand this, so if you see any rough spots, it is sanded. We're just going to leave this here. Make sure it doesn't roll, and we're going to take our little tweezers. I'm actually going to put it on this side because I am a righty. We're going to start at the top, and we're going to go ahead and peel some of these off. And then we're going to go ahead and place these on our tumbler wherever we want. You could do this with transfer tape, but I honestly think it's a little bit easier without the transfer tape and just placing them one by one. Just remember that it doesn't matter where you put your leopard print or how you place your leopard print. Leopard is different every single time. So just go with whatever your heart desires. And this is such a cute way to use this vinyl. I love how it's like an ombre effect, but it's not going up and down. It's just very different. I would love to put this on do a full wrap on a tumbler and then maybe do the power wash method and see what I can create with that. But I love these tweezers. It makes everything so much easier. Normally I would just pick it up by hand and then place it onto the tumbler, but having these tweezers makes things so much easier. And I don't know why I haven't had a pair of tweezers like this. I think I have the Cricut ones, but the Cricut ones honestly aren't my favorite because They come closed, so the way to open them is that you have to squeeze it, and it's like the total opposite of what you are normally used to. And this is what it looks like. I am obsessed. I probably will put a name right here for someone to customize, but this tumbler is so pretty. I think the glitter colors go really well with the ombre leopard print, and I definitely recommend TeckWrapCraft. And that is basically it, you guys. I definitely recommend TeckWrapCraft. Go and check out their website. Everything that I got today will be linked down below in my description. Thank you so much, TeckWrapCraft, for partnering with me in this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!